Kini gadi kedu darshan Meghalaya pat ni pedang sampai pi borok cak Khubor stem. Cawan pai cak Khubor ki babnya ini pet shwai ki mat bakongsan. Rai ke KHASI ban kerpa di kasor kar pedang ban benra ke jingkela hai kendon ti par. Kami benia au election commissioner u Dr. Vivek Joshi yang kejimpan krea nak benta ke special intensive revision. Jur kejing silai ha Arunachal jar ngai san ngot syatab bon kiye. Peninam umudi ya Ocean Rai lakadong ke Meghalaya ha ke G7 Summit. Mentangin ya pai shwashi ki Khubor na keleng ke jela. Rai ke KHASI ban kerpat ikasor kar pedeng ban wan ra jingkelah kendon ti par. Kidukat ke Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council da kawai kasur kila kershan ya karai bawan ra da Chief Executive Member ba Thombor Shiwat wakar pat ban wan ra jingkela ya ki an bakongsan ki be dai ba jing ti par ba doyong kentup ya ke Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act, the Minerals Concession Rules but ke Coal Mines Special Revision Act. Ya kini karai la kami benya hadin balapan pau ya jing saukia da unong yalam kaliang persya uba Andrew Shulai hakajing mirjimod. Uba Shulai ulaong bakajing temu jong kani karai kalong ban kentu ya kasorkar ban pankelai ki an ki bladon lupa nakabenta ban pentrai kam hok iki bat ulapan skembiang ya kajing kersan jong kaliang persya. Ulapan ken mauru ya kijing persyang bakam haswa jong kasorkar jela bat benbur din ni kijing pankelah kabaya dai bat ki an ti par.
In the minimum area for development, making this general or ada kasan ke yang besar atau ada kasan. In the state government, the writing resolution or part reaches to government of India, you accept ini an. Lalu ada kasan the writing for state. Mana ada betul point ada kasan, mana ada betul point election ada katra. Kalau ada katra di manifesto pun kamtam ng ruling party gak ni kuwa ong ni ko apa ndu nai why no mo yo andrai ni witia hakat atrik march ala kakende hakan ni gora ndi why ba chichi na sakral wa imye yang ya ni ya ha begini to ki anya sakral da central ni lu sal ni ora mana dapat hey how you na you kun kamu ada ikut banyak ni, Andre itu dia, ini kau ada ane yo kamu nanti, tahu yo ini ada scientific ni.
Yo amen gi yo request yo president yo amen gi di certain central act, mah Mines and Minerals Development Regulation Act, Minerals Concession Rules, Coal Mines Special Provision Act 2015. Dan ni kejeng kuah yang council di tok yo perpat yo president yo amen no yang ini gian yang central yo ya hakat kamu jiki mo yang wakat hanya di. Jadi kan ni ga amendment yang yang WP support baik kan. Nado ni udah dan dia tiga ngap sana nado impor. Sebab state government house 2015 ada rak kan ni. Kan mereka reject asal government. Tengah unity bah atau hak ni kesorkar kat ni Indo MDA1. Ka jinga tok waka central government ke jinga tok ada gua ke jinga jen. Ki prime minister guru awan jeni por swearing in the government. Tengah mod aja hapor yang kini amendment ni time tak bos ada M sekat izin semua Andre katu dah vote lagi stem do hat di the object ya do stem memang jin kia ta sango ini loki pada yaki kan ni lah beri ki mandi ki kami sedang ngaji ki korek yo amend no ini dang ini hadian yang stem guru bon lah dan ni ida jin kemen wan ni po house ra ki ya kini ki ya kan amendment propose amendment yo suit dia kata kajing ki mo yang ci ta ide kimen menelai ni ko yo support ka tang wa yi wa jawan menepoi po house yo sendat di kita next year yang amendment ya ke detail yi kwa amend te kan ni percaya ni bahwa Haji sekian ikan di detail untuk pak ibu pak house net. Habis yo member pure asli cuan rai gini.
Dr. Vivek Joshi, Election Commissioner Jongkari India, ulakmi benya ya kajing penkre nak benta ka Special Intensive Revision jong katup kerteng ki nong tap vote na electoral roll hakajing wan jung ojung u ya ka Meghalaya. Ula let jurup ya ki polling station hanong po bat Shillong bat ulakmi benya ro ya kajing long jiman bat kajing penkre jong ki officer election banya chikamat bat kani kakam. Kajing pen bet thmai ya ka electoral roll kala sedang na duk arpau tarik ujiliu bat ka electoral roll ka bakhat do un sa penmi pajba hakanyau tarik urisa arajar arpun riu. Kajing let jurep Hamadan Hawes Garo Hills kalapan tikinai kajing pen traikam ka bajob ya Chief Minister's Solar Mission Harong Ram Block ki he officer kilalap babaro ki solar power system ki belabo ha ki saupun riu teli ki government lower primary school kilalong ki batraikam pura ber ki babiang bah. Kajing tumu kalapan bah shibun ya kajing don jong ka boarding ha ki school nong kendong kabalai kajing syai bat boarding kabalap an syania nak benta ki kam baman kesengi. Kinung hikai kila yaturu bagi kamera kelas ki bakham bha ki dan kam bha nakabanta ki khna school kham tam ha ki benai lir.
Is it possible, sir? It's possible for one day, no? One day, I think there's like 600. Line for 00. Street.
Hello, I'm Aura Sage Marak, an assistant teacher of Asanang Government LP School. So we have received the CM Solar Scheme last month, that is May 2026. So this solar panel has given us many advantages. During heat, it helps us and the students to concentrate because in the previous school building we had many problems due to no electricity, and we had problems because there was the building was also damaged.
Deputy Commissioner but Chairman jong District Disaster Management Authority DDMA West Jaintia Hills ulapan mi ka jing maham pajba hadin bala pelaj ya ka na khandong dam ka bahap hap hapo ka Kupli Hydro Power Station Assam. Lapan pau ba ka jing pelaj ya ka ka day na mar ka jingay peteng jong uslap ka balapan kiyo ya ka kardan ka kumta la kentui ki nong shnong ki basa hasilenter ka wa Kupli bari ki jaka ba syapo jong ka wa banong ki pikir bha ban kiar na college ki wa Skirut wa bat penkin ria no iki jingri jingdup na kijaka baret pat bat bandan jingma ban ngam kum kajalat jing ada na kajingkiu kensan jong ka Arngut kisamla lah kem da kipulit na kalaim khra halor ka jingkeno ba kila lumpisa jingarap pajba da ka ba rukom thok hakal kerteng jong ka Bombay Teen Challenge ka seng rehabilitation na Mumbai bat ka batrai ru ka jing khon persya ya ka kam khai brio kani ka jingkem kalawan hadin ka jing ujor jong away unong shong shnong ubalapan shisha bat ka seng bat ka lalap ba syam la ai bor setia ban pelong kanu ka jingarap lumpisa kipulit kila suba bakini ki arngut kila la banlong nak benta ka jong ka kunhun ka bakham he shushu ka balum pisa bat bu na babun kinong shong shnong kaseng kala karpa di kipat ba bakin pensyai ki kot kisla bat ki jing itu jong kinu ki bapan jing arab shaban ai kanu ka jing arab pisa
My name is Amon Emmanuel. I am the project director for Bombay Teen Challenge Northeast, and there are few frauds happening in our organization name, Bombay Teen Challenge people. They are raising the fund in the name of Teen Challenge. Actually, we don't send any people to raise fund, and this is absolutely fraud. And I'd like to tell you, these things are done by few addicts, those who are on the drugs. And Teen Challenge, actually we help these drug addicts, those who are in drugs. and help them to do the rehabilitation program for them. Back in Mumbai, we have a center in Mumbai, but we are not asking money to any individual. We take only fees when they are admitted in the rehab center. So please don't give any donation in the name of NGO, especially Bombay Teen Challenge. I'm so sorry to say that the few young people, they are doing these things, which is very sad. And these two boys got caught by the police, and the local people, they were raising the fund in the name of Bombay Teen Challenge.
Isu wan bai kum tu nga kadang dan apa kidai ke kena di loks arngot iwan ban le yu tu ong bang iwan nak kata ka welfare jong kata ka bari kelung te apa san care ong kadon hangta tengah dapat jakot ngai itu bagade jakot ba su ya snat hok tu kot ngai sundur tengah ada latai tu ngayo itu petak nomor tu ngakol itu try tu pada wang bagi dai fraud su ban bendo tengah marsu ong kum tau tu pada la ya pat no special tengah ngabe mulai aki wasguti tengah yo ban kini no yo sabi hangta ngala yo bat kum tu ngala ya keran bertiru ketokor kila ya berat sana yo su
mentang ini phaji khubor nak keleng kathan chtai lammi ngi Kajing Shlai Hajan ka 100% megawatt panyor hydroelectric plant Arunachal Pradesh kala pelong yang sangut ki beriu banjar ngai bat khanyo ngut ki weipat ki blamen saw bakan thop ya lai ngut ki blamen saw jer ya ki blamen saw la pan ken ria no sha zero wat hapreng kajing khang surok namar kajing Shlai katukan ni ki jakasa ki bla sha tap ka bla pelong ki bor sin shar ban kuntu ki nong shong shnong pelong ki bahusiar namar kajing long ka sun bedeng ka badang beteng ban pin ki kajing ma jong kajing Shlai hakeleng kathan
ये देखो ये सब क्वार्टर है ये देखो पूरा अंदर में 10-15 को क्वार्टर पूरा खत्म कर दिया गाड़ी को भी देखो गाड़ी भी पूरा देने लगे वो देखो कैसे आया है पानी पूरा खत्म गाड़ी भी कितना गाड़ी ले गया पूरा गाड़ी ले गया
देखिए हेलो हाँ चॉपर जरूरी होगा वो ये हो ना वो भी नहीं मिल पा रहा तो चॉपर
Khubor nak keleng kari Menteri Rang Baduk Keri Narendra Modi ula penina mi Ocean Rai lakadong ke Meghalaya ubalayo ke jing itu GI tag hak G7 Summit ha France. Menteri Rang Baduk ula keren ru halor kangap ramban Nagori Ashwagandha bat ke jan tawa banarasi sel ban pen phalang shekinong yelam keri ke perthai ke jing rispa ki destur tenrai keri India bat kiru komshnakti. Menteri Rang Ba Kajella ukon rat ke sangma ulaya kendu bad Menteri Rang Badu ke Telangana u Anumulu Revanat Reddy hakajing lit jingo jing u Telangana. Menteri ulalit jurep ya ke Jinum Valley ke Balong ke Bapauna Makajella hakaliang ke Life Sciences bad ulapet benia igijing ya seperang jongka haki benta jongka biotechnology pharmaceuticals bad healthcare. Nolor kata ulalit jingoru ya ke Neo Vantage Innovation Park dak bapen pau ya kilat kilenti ki badan benta bat ki put thamai harengkat ke jingan trailang hapreng ki karkhana. Mentangin ya phaji Khubor nak keleng ke pertai. Menteri Kambari Keri India Dr. H. Jashankar ula banjur badan kam ban penklan ke jinga dei keri bat ke South Korea hakajing keren jung bat ke Menteri Kambari ke South Korea Ucho Hyun Hasiol ula keren halor ke jingdon kam ban yet trailang hapadeng ki parlok basyanya berkimar bakongsan jongkathan Indo Pacific.
I think countries that are like-minded, countries with shared values, countries who have strong mutual trust to work with each other. Again, as you noted, the presidential visit and the meeting of our Prime Minister with your President of the G7 in Evian, these have been recent leadership occasions where guidance has been given to us on how to take those ties forward. What I do want to assure you is from our side there is a full commitment that the potential of our relationship, which many of us, I think on both sides, feel there's a lot that remains to be realized, that we would strive to do that. And I do want to also take the occasion to recognize your personal commitment to the relationship. From the very moment you assumed this post, you have been sending that strong signal, which I hope I have equally strongly reciprocated from our side. And we very much value the personal commitment that you have brought to this relationship. So I look forward to very, very productive talks. Thank you.
Mentangin niya pagi Khubor yeleka. Meghalaya State Olympic Association kalapan bena baya kasora International Half Marathon kapasan en pelong haka Sautrik ubenai nailur arajar arpunriu kajing penrung kerteng online kan sedang naduk kasit tarik ubenai naitung hadu khatsan tarik ubenai nailar lani hadu bakajing don kinong yisimenta kan poi syaka benta balabu kata hak syaka khatwei hajarmut kinong mare kinong penyat kilaong baya kalinti mare kan nek kumju henrai ondon tangkat tu kan ni kijing penbej kanang ban penbiang kat kum kikerdan jing yakop pajba bala itu hak persai kajing sami ki t-shirt kan sedang naduk ka shitarik ubenai nailur haduk lai tarik badi kinong isim benta la kerpat ban wan sim no kham kloi banat nya kajing khapnya bat kajing lompat ba hak por bakhadu endon ru kajing rapat ba leng ba ka helpline ba kerpang ban yarap ikinong mare akalian kajing keli kibaya dei bat kajing penrung kerteng bat kajing siu pisah kinong yalam ki khmi lenti ba kani kajing yakop kan kring shu ikinong mare bat tebet bat kibawan na kiwai pat kiri kham tam hak baya dei bat kasernot jong ka ems ka bala khmi lenti kaba annang kentiu shu ya kanam jong ka sora kum ka jaka jingok kai ka bakerpang hakaling ki kami lekai ne ka sports tourism.
So we expect this year also to be more participants, but we have decided that this year will take up to maximum 11,000 because of the route for 5K, especially the roads are very narrow. So registration, actually the last date we have put is on the 15th August, but if it reaches 11,000 before that, we'll close entry. We have put in the website clearly, so Kusan will explain about the website. We have changed the rule also. So regarding this year, the prize money, we have changed only the elite. Elite, we have doubled the prize money from 1.5 to 3 lakhs. Second will get 2 lakhs, and the third 1 lakh. And the consolation 50,000. So for the Meghalaya is 50, 30, 20. So for this prize money, I'll be sharing with you the media. There are so many cash prize. So for entry, we have put elite is 2,000 rupees. And for the rest, Meghalaya is 1,000. 10K is 200 only. 5K 100. And for the Sora region, schools and all the people staying that side, this entry is free. So these are the same except changes the prize money so that we want to have more top athletes to participate because the prize money has been doubled.
Meghalaya ka badai ka bala jutip babun ka badon sap hak jing lekai football kelapoi pat syakawai ka kerdan leng ba ka samla khatsan snam kerta ka bala mi na ka badan football ka bakti hasnong ban poi ki kerdan kari ba chekiri ka perthai tuing sap ka khana ka babnya spang jongka
ka mefi na kinong room na kashnong mau pedang kala sha jet chaka AIFF FIFA Talent Academy kani ka jing sha jet jongka ka dei lingba ka sap bat ka jing trish tom Nagbenta ka mefi ka jingsha ajiat ka niga shlam ka long ka sienjam ka bakraw bahai ka thong jongka nagbenta ban mi khmat yagari India kani kanong yale kai bodon sab kala yo ban le kai bun tali ka jing le kai kaleng ka Meghalaya kinthop ka Women's Football League hapok ke Shillong Sports Association bad galayok ban mi khmat ru ya gejela hakikerdan jong kari.
My name is Mifina Kiman Banongrum and I am 15 years old. I live in Maupadang in Meghalaya, Shillong. My journey started at 5 years old in Maupadang Baby League, and then I go to Rangnajit United Football Club, and then I go to PFR Football Academy, and I perform in different clubs. First of all, I feel very happy to get this opportunity to perform and to get selected in AIFF Football Talent Academy because this is not easy for me because I go through many challenges to reach here. AIFF come to Meghalaya at football ground. They give us a trial and I go there to perform there. So I get selected from there. Then they said that we have one more trial in Hyderabad. So me and my family are going to Hyderabad.
Kaniga samla kelas sedang yang kecingya identi jongka hakabani dekai football nadu bakadang don Sunsnam lingba ke Baby League tournament hakashnong mau pedang. Hadian kani kalaya lekai nak benta ke Rangnajit United Football Club Hashwa bakandrung syaka PFR Football Academy hakaba hangni kelas sedang ban kentiu ya kesap jongka.
When I was 5 years old, my mom said that they have a baby league in Maupadang, so my mom allowed me to come and play. My mom support me and my family support me, so me also I got interested. I got to this football, so my dreams is to represent my country. So now I have to work hard and develop myself to represent India. I play in defender, right back defender. Many tournaments in Meghalaya and women. I usually play women's league in Meghalaya in SSA. From PFR Football Academy. We have many tournaments that I can't name it. Outside the state, I haven't represent state. Never played from the state. One advice for you guys: put God first in every situation that you are going through, and don't give up on your dreams. Never give up. Work hard and put God first. Football is my dreams and my career and all that, so it helps me in future to improve my fitness and my body and strength and discipline.
Ban itu ia kini kecing job jongka kador barshnong mau pedang ban ke mau pedang sports kalapan Khuborom yaka. Kinong yalam jong ke PFR Football Academy ban ke St. Francis di Assisi School mau ke siang. Kila don lang hakani ke sni pen Khuborom yaka. Ke kemi jong ke Mefi ke kong Banisha nongrum habakran halor ke jingya dendi jong ke khon jongka. Kalayat hu baka Mefi ke sngo tenat bha bani dekai football na do baka dang red bat na ke yeng ke semru kiju ke shan bha yaka.
Kerting cenga kadai Banisha nongrum na do dang red hak na kan mau hak por ba idan saus nem kerta. Ipa jongi ithiet kabol nam ta ita ikun senrang kadai kabol si number ithiet na I ilekai kata kabol akapol ba ilekai ta kabol ishoot ya kata kabol kadai hapo tibi teka tibi flat teka hap ten ka tibi sapo teka hap ka tibi sapo te nadu kata kabol ba ismat ba ban ilekai ya kabol ismat ban ilekai kabol te na tapan ka hakapor ba la don kuntas sansnam rusnam takapor te kadon ka wei ka academy ka bawan hani ha snong ni te ka wan ban pentrel ya ki kena untuk kan te hakatakapor ka nya pha namun kong lenga klam pha I ban wan chakatral tang ba dal hadin tu nga itu ba ka samsung imo ikwa ban lekai football ikwa ban lekai betay ka bolte ni kimi ki pa ni dab ka jing ngau sarang mo nam ta I khun mo ba ilayo ban sa selek ka ni ka AIFF Football Academy ngayo jing tip na I we I coach jong ka PFR te I naki sa selek I poi ka leta ken poi ka leta hapo jong ka AIFF Football ban literal hapo Hyderabad dia kata rung ila pha hi ba literal de na kata kin ba isha I la de wana khadu katral isha select hakani ka EIFF football FIFA academy atang gawin mo nga kwa ba long kum kaching ajing bot janga la ne long kum kaching kin tulang janga ya ki we ki me ki kpa ki badan ya ki khun ki badan la kachong kasam dei ban le no e ma ki dei ban pha ki dei ban penslur la kachong ki khun ba kin ki saprang la kadon hak no ka sab ka talent chuki
kani ka sian jam jing job ka mefi kani ka kerdan ka lalong ka jing sarong nak benta ka ying ka sem jongka bar ka shnong ka thau bar kum chu ru ki rew yele kai football ha ka jila ka ba ai min siam ki wi pat bandan ya ka thong ka bakraw bat ban tresh tom shu shu nak benta ban yo ya ka thong
ka Switzerland kalala ban pen lim no ya ka Canada da Argo la ka wei ha ka group B ha ka ba Uruven Vargas bat ujohan Manzambi kalala ban pen ki jar wala kala syarem ke Canada kala thau record da ka bapoi shuduk ke World Cup knockout stage ha ka sin ke Baningkong ha ka ju ke por ke Bosnia and Herzegovina kala la ban penne ya ka jingkerman jongka da ka bajob ya ka Qatar da laigo la ka wei bala pen kut no ya ka jingya lenti jongka Qatar ha ka ni ka Lumpong ha ka group C pat Vinicius Junior ula thep Argol ha ka baka Brazil kala la ban pen lim sup ya ka Scotland da laigo la not ban pendep ha ka kerdan bahakli do jongka group bat ban pendikina ya ka jaka jongka ha ka round balai puar
Junior picks up Casemiro, who senses a chance. Shankland, and now it's collected here by Douglas Santos. Vinny Junior into Paqueta. Points one would think they'd be very unlucky not to go through with 4. Oh, and a little bit of an error there. And Vinicius Junior couldn't miss. Scotland have gifted Brazil the opening goal of the match, and it hasn't taken long. Vinicius Junior scoring for the 3rd game in a row at the World Cup. Ryan racing into the box. Guimaraes again. It's above. Gone! And Vinny Junior's there to head it home at the far post. Star performer in Miami tonight. It's the 3rd time he's had the ball in the net in this first half. It's the 2nd time.
Tementa pat ngini pe ikijing long jingman ka sun baneng hakeleng ki benta jong ka jella Hatura kajing kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius pa kajing shed kalong 10 degree Celsius kajing sengam ka haw menta kasni kalong prapusan% na kasispa kajing hapslap kalong 9.1 mm haba pai pat sa kanong ba shilong kajing kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius pa kajing shed kalong 40 degree Celsius kajing sengam ka haw menta pat kalong prapusan% na kasispa kajing hapslap kalong 0.9 mm kat ba hajuai pat kajing kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius par kajing shed kalong 40 degree Celsius kajing sengam ka haw menta kasni kalong 40% na kasispa kajing hapslap kalong 2.1 mm kandon kajing hapslap bat kajing tit upar that hakibabun ki jaka hatura shilong bat juai Shawan po siya kabukot jong katup Khubor ngini pet biang sa sise ni kimat bakongsan Rai ke KHASI ban kerpat ek sarkar padang banwan ra jingkli haki kindon di par Kami benia election commissioner Dr. Vivek Joshi kajing pentre nak benta ka special intensive revision Jur kajing shlai Arunachal jar ngai san ngot shatap bontiye Peninam umudi ya Ocean Rai lakadong ka Meghalaya haka G7 Summit. Di parlok atu ngilapoi syakabukut jong ketup Khubor jengi mentah ke step hadu bengindi syambiang bat pi shibat jan mit kublai pi baro.